Hi everyone on YouTube, it's Shirley Matthews here, and today I'll be showing you a late birthday present I got today. They're One Direction bracelets. There's a whole heap of them, and I'll be showing you. There's this one. It says One Direction, and then all their names around it. This one. They're all the same but different colours. These, if you wanted to know where I got this from, they're off the internet and they're all the way from America. There. If you hear all that noise, well, there was noise before. My dog Jess is in here at the moment, in my room, and that poster just fell down. Oh wait, the poster right there. This one says Harry Heart Me. Wait. There, wait, there, and then One Direction. This one. I'll show you my dog at the end of the video. Her name's Jess. This one. And this one. I think I showed them, I don't know. But there's more. This one says One Direction, and then Louis Heart Me. And this one says Zayn Heart Me. Wait. And this one, #1 fan. I heart One Direction. Then this one, One Direction, and Liam Heart Me. And there's the big ones. This one says One Direction. And it says, yes, so in love with One Direction. And then this one. Then this one. This one's my favorite. And I'll show you. That's my brother, Chris. Get out, Chris. Get out. Sorry about that. And this is my dog Jess. Jess, come here. Jess. Jess, come here. She's so interested into my guinea pig. That's her there. She's so cute. Jess. Jess, come here. Come here. Come here. Jess. Jess. I want to show you the world. Come here. This is her. Bye. Please comment, subscribe, like, and I'll hear from you guys soon. Bye. Peace.